Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform a burger sketch into a flat hand-drawn illustration using Adobe Illustrator. First, open the sketch file and align it with the artboard. Create 3 layers. One for the sketch, one for the color, and one for the outlines. Double-click the sketch layer to set it as a template layer. Now, let's begin working on the outline layer. Start by creating a guide to help divide the design into 2 parts. Let's begin with the bread. Select the Reflect tool to create a mirrored line, and then join the 2 parts together. Follow the same. Select the outline, and then click on the stroke profile style to choose one that complements the design. Now, I'll show you another method. Use the Width tool to create a custom shape for the outline. Once you've completed the outlines, copy them and select the Shape Builder tool. Click on all the outlines to convert them into shapes. Now, select all the outline shapes and add color to them. Select the shapes and lock them from the Object menu. Delete the unnecessary objects. Unlock and group the shapes. Now pass the outlines. Lock the outlines layer in the Layers panel. Ungroup the shapes and continue to add shadows. Select all the outlines, group them through the Object menu, and then expand all the outlines. Go to the Pathfinder panel and merge the shapes. Click on the Effect menu, select Distort and Transform, and then choose Roughen. Set the size to 0.15 and the detail to 5 points with the Smooth option. Our design is complete. Now let's finalize it.